Hey mathematicians! All right, so today we are working in our packets on pages 40 to 43. And before we get started, you're going to need a couple materials. So today you'll need two different colors of marker or crayon or colored pencil, whatever you have. And then you'll also need to turn to page 47, 48. And on the top, it'll say 10 frame cards, and it will have a bunch of little 10 frames with some different dots on there for you to cut out. You're going to want to do that before you get started with this. All right, and once you're started, we can go ahead and get started. All right, so if I flip to page 42, I have a game that's asking me how many to make 10. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all my cards up. I'm not going to look, and I'm just going to pick one. And I picked one that had 2 dots filled in on the top. So I'm going to choose a color. I think I'll start with blue. And I'll copy what my card said. So this one had 2 dots filled out, so I'm going to fill out 2 dots with blue. Then I'll fill in the rest of the tens frame using my other color. So I'll put dots in the rest of the tens frame using my other color. So now I've completed my tens frame. Now I need to fill in this number sentence at the bottom. So I know that I started with 1, 2 blue dots. So I'm going to write a 2 on the first line. Then I'm going to see how many red dots I needed to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I needed 8 more red dots to make the number 10. Now I can read my number sentence. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Once I'm done, I'll put this card back with the rest of them, and I'll shuffle them up again until I've picked enough to complete the whole page. Once you've completed that whole page, we can turn to the next page, and it's got some fish and some triangles, all these different shapes, and again, we're figuring out how many more to make 10. So on this page, I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish already on there. I'm going to fill in the rest of them with my red marker. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I needed 4 more dots to make 10. Now I can see really easily that 6 fish plus 4 red dots gives me 10 altogether. Complete both pages and text your teacher a picture of them so that you can earn a shout out in our next video.